Hello and welcome to Wanderlust Ventures, your one-stop channel for all things travel. We're about to embark on an exciting journey, unlocking secrets that have left many a traveler scratching their heads. Today, we're diving into the world of packing, a skill that's more art than science. We'll uncover tips that have stumped everyone except those seasoned globetrotters. So, strap in, because we're about to redefine the way you prepare for your adventures. Today, we're going to share some simple packing tips that have stumped everyone, except experienced travelers. Before we dive into the specifics, let's talk about the basics of packing. You know, the nitty-gritty that gets you prepared and ready to take on any travel adventure with a well-packed suitcase by your side. First up, the mighty checklist. This little piece of paper, or digital note if you prefer, is your roadmap to packing perfection. It guides you through what you need, reminding you of essentials that can easily be forgotten in the rush of excitement. From your passport to your favorite pair of socks, everything should have a place on your checklist. It's your personal packing assistant, ensuring you don't leave anything behind. Next, we have the all-important step of choosing the right luggage. This isn't just about picking a suitcase that looks good, it's about finding one that fits your needs. Are you a light packer or do you need a bit more space? Do you prefer a hard shell or something soft and flexible? Wheels or no wheels? These are all questions to consider. Remember, your luggage is your travel companion, so choose wisely. Now let's talk about the weather and planned activities. These two factors heavily influence what makes it into your suitcase. If you're heading to a tropical paradise, you won't need that heavy winter coat. Similarly, if you're planning a hiking trip, those high-heeled shoes might not be the best choice. Tailoring your packing to the weather and activities not only saves space, but also ensures you're prepared for whatever your trip throws at you. Finally, consider the length of your trip. This will help you decide how much to pack. For a weekend getaway, a few outfits may suffice, but for a 2-week vacation, you'll need a bit more. Remember, it's always better to overpack than underpack. And there you have it, the basics of packing. These simple steps may seem trivial, but they set the foundation for efficient packing. By following them, you're on your way to becoming a packing pro, ready to take on any travel adventure. So, grab that checklist, pick your perfect suitcase, and start considering your destination's weather and activities, because the world is waiting, and so is your next adventure. These basic steps set the foundation for efficient packing. Now, let's talk about the most challenging part of packing, clothes. It's a universal conundrum, isn't it? How to fit your entire wardrobe into a suitcase that seems to shrink with every trip. Well, it's time to flip the script on your packing woes with some tried-and-true strategies. First up, let's tackle the age-old debate, to fold or to roll. While folding may be the traditional route, rolling your clothes is the way forward. This technique not only minimizes wrinkles but also saves a surprising amount of space. So next time you're packing, give your clothes a tight roll and watch as your suitcase space magically expands. Now onto the types of clothes to pack. The key here is versatility. Think items that can be dressed up or down, mixed and matched. A pair of jeans that pairs well with a casual t-shirt for sightseeing, but can also be spruced up with a blouse or a button-down for a nice dinner. This way, you're packing fewer items, but creating more outfit possibilities. It's all about making your clothes work harder for you. And finally, let's talk organization. Ever opened your suitcase to find a jumbled mess of clothes that you could swear were neatly arranged when you packed? Enter packing cubes and Ziploc bags. These little lifesavers compartmentalize your suitcase, keeping your clothes neat and organized. Not to mention, they can also compress your clothes, creating more room for those just-in-case items. But remember, these cubes and bags aren't meant for stuffing in as many clothes as you can. They're there to help you streamline your packing process and keep things tidy. So, use them wisely, and there you have it. The art of clothes packing isn't so much about cramming in as much as possible, but about making thoughtful decisions about what to bring and how to pack it. It's about balance, organization, and a little bit of rolling magic. Remember, the goal is to pack smart, not pack more. Moving on, let's discuss the essentials and handy gadgets for your journey. One aspect of travel that can't be overlooked is the necessity of packing essentials. These are the items that will see you through your adventure, regardless of where in the world you find yourself. Toiletries, for instance, are a must-have. Your toothbrush, toothpaste, soap, and other personal care items should always find a place in your bag. And don't forget a miniature first aid kit with band-aids, antiseptics, and a few basic medicines for common ailments like headaches or upset stomachs. These items may seem insignificant, but they can make a world of difference when you're miles away from home. Now let's talk about travel documents. These are your passport to the world, quite literally. Always ensure that your passport, visas, and any necessary identification are safely tucked away. It's also a good idea to have digital backups of these documents just in case. Next up, the gadgets. In the age of technology, there are some devices that can make your journey a breeze. A portable charger, for instance, is a lifesaver when you're out exploring all day and need to keep your devices powered up. Similarly, a universal adapter is a must-have for international travel. It ensures that no matter the plug design of the country you're in, you'll be able to charge your devices with ease. And let's not forget about comfort. A travel pillow can be your best friend during long flights, train rides, or car journeys. It offers support for your neck and helps you catch some much-needed rest during transit. There's also the option of noise-canceling headphones, a boon for those who want to drown out the ambient noise and enjoy their favorite tunes, or catch up on a podcast or two. So there you have it. Packing essentials and handy gadgets are not just about convenience, they're about ensuring you have a smooth and enjoyable journey. From the basics like toiletries and travel documents to the tech-savvy gadgets like portable chargers and universal adapters, these items are your ticket to a hassle-free travel experience. These essentials and gadgets can make your travel experience a whole lot easier. Finally, we've got some exclusive packing hacks straight from the seasoned travelers. These tips and tricks have been gathered from the globetrotters who've perfected the art of packing through countless adventures. First off, let's talk about keeping your clothes smelling fresh. No one likes to unpack a suitcase full of stale clothes, right? Here's a simple solution: dryer sheets. Slip a few of these into your suitcase and voila! You'll be met with a wave of freshness every time you open your luggage. And the best part? They take up practically no space. Next, let's tackle the ever-annoying issue of tangled chargers. We've all been there, spending precious vacation time detangling cords. Well, not anymore. Repurpose your old glasses cases to store chargers and earbuds. It's a simple yet effective way to keep your tech accessories organized and easy to find. And speaking of organization, let's not forget one of the most overlooked items to pack: a small laundry bag. It's surprising how much of a difference this can make. It keeps your dirty clothes separate from the clean ones, making unpacking a breeze when you get home. Plus, it can double as extra storage for souvenirs or other items you pick up along the way. Another great tip is to always carry a multi-purpose tool or a Swiss Army knife. You never know when you might need a bottle opener, a screwdriver, or a pair of scissors. Just remember to check it in your luggage if you're flying. Lastly, consider rolling your clothes instead of folding them. It not only saves space, but also minimizes wrinkles. Remember, the goal is to maximize suitcase real estate while keeping your belongings in good shape. With these hacks, you're well on your way to becoming a packing pro. These tips from seasoned travelers are sure to make your next adventure that much smoother, so go ahead, pack smart and travel far. And that wraps up our guide to simple packing tips that only experienced travelers know. We've taken a journey together, from the basics of packing to the art of clothes packing, and even delved into essentials and gadgets that can make your journey smoother. We've also been privileged to share some insider secrets from seasoned travelers. Remember how we talked about rolling instead of folding clothes to save space? Or the importance of packing cubes to keep your luggage organized? We also discussed the value of a good toiletry bag and how essential gadgets like power banks and travel adapters can be lifesavers on the road. But perhaps the most valuable tips came from those experienced travelers who've learned the hard way. They taught us to always have a reusable water bottle, to pack a small first aid kit, and never to forget a spare set of underwear in our carry-on. These tips might seem simple, but they can make a world of difference in your travel experience. We encourage you to try them out on your next adventure. And don't just keep these tips to yourself. Share them with your friends, your family, anyone you know who loves to travel. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Hit that subscribe button and the bell icon for more travel tips and tricks. Safe travels.